Alright, imagine this. You've finally nailed that perfect trade. You're ready to move your profits, maybe to your bank, maybe to another brokerage, or heck, maybe just to a different account within Robinhood. But then, that little voice in the back of your head pipes up. Wait, are they going to hit me with a fee? Are my gains about to shrink? We've all been there, right? That nagging fear of hidden costs, especially when it comes to our hard-earned money. In the world of online brokerages, where everything seems instant and frictionless, the question of fees, specifically transfer fees, can be a real source of anxiety. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Robinhood and tackling that exact question. Are there fees for transferring funds? Let's be honest, Robinhood built its reputation on being commission-free, disrupting the traditional brokerage model. But commission-free doesn't necessarily mean fee-free. There's a whole ecosystem of potential charges lurking beneath the surface, and transfers are a key area to scrutinize. First, let's break down the different types of transfers we're talking about. We're not just talking about moving cash to your bank account. We're also talking about ACAT transfers, automated customer account transfer service. This is when you're moving your entire portfolio, stocks, options, everything, from Robinhood to another brokerage. Internal transfers, moving cash between your Robinhood brokerage account and your Robinhood cash management account. Bank transfers, ACH, moving cash between your linked bank account and your Robinhood account. Wire transfers, a more direct, often faster, transfer of funds between banks. Each of these transfer types has its own set of rules and potential fees. So, let's go through them one by one. ACAT transfers, the big move. This is often where people get the most nervous. Moving your entire portfolio is a big deal, and the fear of a hefty exit fee is real. The good news is, Robinhood does not charge a fee for outgoing ACAT transfers. That's a major win. However, there's a crucial caveat: the receiving brokerage might have their own fees. So, if you're moving to another platform, do your due diligence and check their fee structure. Sometimes, they even offer to cover the ACAT fee if you're bringing in a significant amount of assets. Also, be mindful of the timing. ACAT transfers can take a few business days, and during that period, your assets are essentially in limbo. You won't be able to trade them, so plan accordingly. Internal transfers, keeping it within Robinhood. Robinhood offers a cash management feature, essentially a hybrid checking account. Moving cash between your brokerage account and your cash management account is generally free and instant. This is a huge convenience, allowing you to easily manage your funds within the Robinhood ecosystem. This is a great feature for people who want to keep their money within the Robinhood system while keeping some of the funds liquid. Bank transfers, ACH, the everyday transfer. This is the most common type of transfer for most users. Linking your bank account and moving money back and forth. The good news here is that Robinhood does not charge fees for standard ACH transfers. This is a huge benefit, as it allows you to easily fund your account and withdraw your profits without worrying about nickel and diming. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Processing time: ACH transfers typically take a few business days to process. So, if you need funds immediately, this might not be the best option. Insufficient funds: if you initiate a transfer and your bank account doesn't have enough funds, you may incur a fee from your bank, not Robinhood. Wire transfers, the speed demon. Wire transfers are faster than ACH transfers, often clearing within the same day. However, they typically come with fees, both from the sending and receiving banks. Robinhood does not offer incoming or outgoing wire transfers. This is an important distinction. If you need to move funds quickly, you'll have to use another method or a different brokerage. This is a limitation for some users, but for most everyday investors, ACH transfers are sufficient. Beyond the obvious, hidden costs. While Robinhood is transparent about its transfer fees, there are a few potential hidden costs to be aware of. Margin interest: if you're trading on margin, you'll be charged interest on the borrowed funds. This isn't a transfer fee, but it's a cost associated with using Robinhood services. Options trading fees. While Robinhood doesn't charge per contract fees, there are still regulatory fees associated with options trades. These are small, but they can add up over time. Currency conversion fees. If you're trading international stocks, you may incur currency conversion fees. Robinhood doesn't offer direct access to international exchanges, but if they were to add this, it would be a consideration. Robinhood Gold. Robinhood Gold is the premium subscription service. There is a monthly fee associated with this service. This service provides margin and research tools. The bottom line, transparency is key. Robinhood has done a good job of simplifying its fee structure, particularly when it comes to transfers. The absence of ACAT and ACH transfer fees is a major advantage. However, it's always important to read the fine print and understand the potential costs associated with any financial transaction. Ultimately, the best way to avoid unexpected fees is to be informed. Know the different types of transfers, understand the processing times, and check with your bank or receiving brokerage for any potential fees on their end. Robinhood's focus on commission-free trading has democratized investing for millions of people. But it's crucial to remember that commission-free doesn't mean cost-free. By understanding the nuances of transfer fees and other potential charges, you can make informed decisions and keep more of your hard-earned money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.